What is goody, my people? We are back again with another gem. Listen, I haven't made a Wonderland Time video in a little minute, and I wish I was making one under better circumstances with the price of Wonderland Time at $1 million and not tanking at a dramatically accelerated rate. But nonetheless, I am still bullish on the project, and in this video I will dive right into why I'm still bullish, why I'm not scared of the price tanking, why I personally just invested even more money inside Time Wonderland. And yeah, it's gonna be a great video. You already knew that. So you might as well just smash the like button, you know what I'm saying? Hit the subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell, because I'm dropping straight gems, and you're gonna want to be notified whenever I drop these gems, because at this point these gems got to be the most valuable gems in the entire world. Forget rubies, forget diamonds, forget sapphire, forget all of that. Joovier's gems, yeah, you need them. But let's just hop right into this video. Wait, before we hop into this video, you know what I'm saying? If you want to be notified whenever I buy a cryptocurrency, whenever I'm taking profit on a certain cryptocurrency, if I'm researching a new project, if you want to see every single cryptocurrency I'm holding as of right now, you know what I'm saying? Hit my Patreon up. It's right there, patreon.com/Joovier's gems. We also got the Discord jumping. My Discord is actually very late. It's mad cool people in there. We be bouncing ideas off of each other. We be talking about the market. We be talking about gaming. We be talking about making money overall. You know what I'm saying? So if that's something you would be interested in, hit my Patreon up. If not, you still need these free gems on here for you on YouTube, but all you have to do is be subscribed with the post notifications on, because if you're not, then you're really missing out on a lot of things in life. When I mean a lot of things in life, imagine you're a father, right? But you never knew you was a father until your son was 30 years old. You finally met your son, but he's 31 now, you know what I'm saying? And he dies the next day that you meet him. You missed it on so much. That's how much you're missing on if you don't subscribe. That was not an exaggerated explanation. It was perfectly aligned with the exact representation of what you're missing if you don't hit the subscribe button, so subscribe. Now let's really hop into this video. All right, so boom, Wonderland money. I've made multiple videos on this project. I love the project personally. I think it's absolutely amazing. It is probably the best, or my personal favorite, Olympus DAO fork. This and Hector, I like Hector DAO as well. Let me just say this, you know what I'm saying? This is not financial advice. Nothing I say in this video or any of my videos is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a CPA. We're just friends, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to put y'all onto what I'm onto so we can all make money, but I'm not a financial advisor. But back to this. So I personally got in Time Wonderland a little bit over 2 months ago, around 2 months ago as of right now. If we go to the price right now of Time Wonderland, if you've been keeping up, you already know where this is going. We can look at the whole market right now. It's kind of consolidating in the past 24 hours. Bitcoin is up 2% in the past week. Ethereum's up 6% in the past week. BNB's up 13% if we go down the line. We're seeing a lot more green than we were seeing the past couple of weeks, especially on the weekly chart. So that's always good. But if we go to any DAOs as of right now, if we go to OHM, which is Olympus, it's down 28% as of right now. It's at $120 per token. If we go to Hector, I don't believe it's down as much. Yeah, 10% Hector is down. Any other DAO, we don't even want to talk about like Spartacus or something like that, because that's down astronomically over the 7 day. Oh, it's not. Over the 1 month, I know it's down astronomically, or 3 months, because at one point it's at $200 or something like that. Yeah, above, almost at $300. Now it's trading at $29 each. But if we go to Wonderland, we're down 17% today. It's sitting at $1,500 each token. I got a notification that the price had went below $1,000. As you see right here, it's at $832, but it has went back up, and we're now sitting at a calm wait, did it just drop down more? It's at $1,000 exactly. Wow, that's fun. We'd love to see that on camera. But if we look at the 7 day chart, it's been on it's been consolidating over here, but then it dropped down drastically on, I believe that was Saturday. I believe it started dropping down pretty heavily. It was chilling around the 22, 23, 24, 25 area, and now we're testing the waters in the $1,000 to $1,500 range, even going all the way down to $800 like I just showed you guys before. So Time Wonderland has been crashing, and you would think everybody should be panic selling, everybody should be getting out, the product is dying, everybody take your money and run with it even if you lost money. Me, I think different. They have a lot of bullish news coming out. They have a bunch of different partnerships. I'm going to be going into that a little bit later in this video. Well, actually in a quick second. But they have a lot of cool things that are coming out, a bunch of partnerships at the end of the day. And you guys have to understand that Olympus DAO, it's a DAO at the end of the day. And it's basically a pool of money that's used to invest into other projects that will make the shareholders of the token itself make more money. And with that being said, you're not going to see crazy results within a short amount of time, because it does take a lot of time for, first of all, new products to come out, and then new trustworthy projects that are actually going to explode. Then you have to kind of wait for the projects that they invested in to start making money, therefore making the investors money. And then that's when you start seeing more bullish patterns inside the movement of these different tokens. So if I were to lie to you and say, wow, the past 1 day is down 43%. Nice. Forget everything I said before. This project is done. I'm just playing. Don't believe that. Don't go sell. Well, do whatever the heck you want to do. You know what I'm saying? I'm just telling you what the heck I got going on. But if you come to their website, a couple things have changed on their website. The current APY is still sitting at a pretty high percentage, which is 77,000. Last week it was sitting at 83,000, and we've had lows of like 60,000. If we press enter app right now, it'll take us right to the app. And I don't know if I'm on the right chain right now. Oh, that's not the right chain. Avalanche. So if we come right in here, if we go to the dashboard, once this decides to load up, you'll see they don't even show the price of time anymore. They're really pushing to wrap your memo. Now, people have asked me a bunch of times why I have not wrapped my memo, what's the benefits of it. For me personally, or for really anybody, there's no like benefits as of right now besides tax reasons, but that's a whole nother, I'm not a CPA, I'm not gonna get into that. So I'm not gonna advise or give any advice on that. But really holding or not wrapping your memo really has no real benefits, except it helps the ecosystem of actual Wonderland Time as a whole moving forward in the long term. I can make a video about that if you guys want, but everybody asks me why I don't wrap my memo. It's just I haven't done it. There's no real reason why I haven't done it or why I will do it. It's really just no reason. You can do it if you want, and you cannot do it if you do not want to. It's not going to kill you, and it will not make you $100 billion in 1 day. But if you look here, it doesn't show the price of time anymore. Remember, once you stake your time, it becomes memo, and you can wrap that memo, and that is the price right here. Wrap memo was just $50,000 per token. So they took off the price of time on their dashboard. For a second, they had taken the calculator off as well, but I'm not sure why it was taken off, but it is now back. A lot of their bonds are down. These are completely stopped, and these are negative, so there's no real reason to buy any of these bonds. If we look here as well, liquidity has been migrated from sushi.com to sushi.com instead of Trader Joe. So if you want to buy wrapped memo, you have to go through sushi.com. You cannot go through Trader Joe anymore. Now keep in mind, you can trade your AVAX for time token through Trader Joe, so don't get that confused. So that's just a couple different changes on their website. Their treasury balance is absolutely exploding. It's almost at $1 billion. Right now it's sitting at $989 million. So keep in mind, with that much money inside their treasury, a lot of things can be done that can move the project so much further, and that's kind of what we're going to next. So this guy, DeFi Edge on Twitter, shout out to him. He made a great I think that's what we should start calling it, a tweet, because it's a Twitter thread. I just made that up, you know, so somebody copyright that for me, you know what I'm saying? But he made a good Twitter thread with a bunch of different things that would help people be more bullish on time, just due to the things that are upcoming for them. So keep in mind, time is, like I said, is a big pool of money that's used to invest into other projects that would therefore make the investors or the holders of time more money, and the project more money overall. So if we start from here, 99% of Wonderland FI investors have no idea how many projects are in the pipeline with Danielis. I don't know how to say his last name. And it does have been doing something great. You just haven't noticed. Here's a thread. Boom. So the first one that he talked about, they're about to invest into an NFT game company. Now, this is super bullish. I love the whole gaming space in crypto overall. I want to make a video about like my favorite gaming cryptos or gaming NFTs as a whole. I did talk about Monkey Ball NFT for a little while. I do have one. I told my Patreon people to go buy some. They got some, so that's been cool. I'm excited for that game to come out. But I think gaming in the crypto space and the NFT space overall is going to be a very, very big industry in the future. So I'm excited that they will be investing in that. So that's one thing that they have in the works. Another one that they've actually done is invested into a decentralized betting platform. Now, if we go to their website right here, betswap.gg, it is the first decentralized betting exchange. It's basically just like you would be able to bet on really anything, and it would be completely decentralized. Like, you could be either the people that are better, people that are betting, or you could be a bookmaker, therefore making bets. So let's say you have one person here that wants to bet and say the Cavs is going to win versus the Lakers. Another person says the Lakers is going to win versus Cavs. There would really be no need for an in-between person. It would just be kind of like a peer-to-peer betting, and the winner obviously would take the profits. So I personally decided to use this platform, not even the fact that Time has invested into it, but I think this platform is going to be absolutely amazing. Personally, that's mine. I think it'll be something. I don't even watch sports, but I know people that do sports betting, and I think it'll be something cool that's definitely I'm very bullish on overall. So that is one thing. They actually made this investment already, and that comes with they're going to be airdropping tokens of the this betting protocol to the current holders of Time as of right now. So I'm not sure if what day they're going to airdrop them, but you do need to wrap your memo at this point. So if you want to get this airdrop, I believe you have to have your memo wrapped. Yeah, if you see here, it says start wrapping. If you haven't, yes, I believe if you want to get this airdrop of your free tokens from betswap.gg, you would have to wrap your memo. I believe that is correct. If not, I'm sorry. But yeah, so another part is there will be more tokens coming soon as part of the revenue share staking pool. You stake with Wonderland and you start earning BSGG. I would like to add other tokens in the near future. We are just getting started. So that would basically just be the option to earn BSGG for staking your Time Wonderland. Another thing that people don't even understand about Time Wonderland is that they're investing in other projects that are making them money. A lot of people are confused how they're able to keep up these crazy high APYs and pay out these people, but the treasury is earning over $1 million every single day through low risk yield farming. Now, it's the blockchain. If you don't know, the blockchain is complete. Everything is public if you can find the wallet address. So because it is all on the blockchain, we can literally click here and see everything that Time Wonderland is invested into, how much they're making through it, how much their wallet is holding. We basically see their treasury at work. It's very transparent. That's kind of how it is in crypto. If you can find somebody's wallet address, you can see almost everything they're holding, everything they're staking, what money they're making, all of that. So that's another cool thing. If you go through all this, you'll be able to see that they are making over $1 million a day just through low risk yield farming. They have a bunch of other things going on. You can literally read through this tweet. It has like 4 or 5 more things that you guys can read through. I don't want to go through all of them, but I just want to show you guys kind of why I'm still bullish on it, because there are so many things in the back end that Time Wonderland has to offer, other than the fact that they're just paying out these rebases every 8 hours. And I feel like a lot of people don't know that, and I want to kind of inform you guys so you know more so of what Time Wonderland is and how they're able to make this money and how they're able to keep up with these different high percentage yields. A cool point that he had at the bottom here, I believe, is memo will be listed on a major at CEX, which is a centralized exchange. Centralized exchange could be Coinbase, Binance, really anything that's centralized and not decentralized. Something that's decentralized is something like, I don't know why I can't think of one, but it's definitely not Coinbase or none of that, because those are centralized exchanges. And you have to understand, when these tokens are put onto centralized exchanges, it brings a whole new wave of investors and people that don't know how to use PancakeSwap, people that don't know how to use Trader Joe XYZ. They only know how to use Coinbase. They only know how to use Binance. It brings a whole new audience of people to come in and invest into these projects once they're put onto these centralized exchanges. So that could be super, super bullish for Memo, because like I said, it could bring a lot more people onto the project, therefore pushing the price even higher. Another reason why I decided to invest more into the project. But that is a quick little run through of why I'm still bullish on it, why I'm still investing into it. I'm dollar cost averaging right now. I put a couple $100 in every day, maybe $1,000 in on a certain day. I'm really just dollar cost averaging in. I'm not putting a big load in when it hits 1,000 or whatever like that. I'm just putting small amounts in, therefore I can try and time the bottom as much as possible and wait for it to flip. Hopefully, like I'm saying, this is not financial advice. All this can go to crap. Wonderland can go to $2 and I would just cry myself to sleep. But there's always other ways to make money, you know what I'm saying? But that's the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you like right now. If you guys have any questions at all, feel free to comment them down below. I'll try to reply to all of them that I can. If you have any more questions, feel free to hit me up on Twitter. I am tweeting a lot now, crypto related stuff. Twitter.com/Joovier_, I believe. And if you want to be closer to me, if you want to know every single trade I take when I buy a crypto, when I sell a crypto, you want to know every crypto I'm holding, Sign up for my Patreon, you know what I'm saying? It's good vibes in there. We got a Discord going with the Patreon members too. Everybody's mad chill. Everybody's mad helpful. If you have any questions, drop it in the Discord and people be answering it like that, you know what I'm saying? But good luck on your trades, good luck on your crypto, good luck on your time Wonderland. Because we're all gonna need it, you know what I'm saying? Good luck on life as a whole, man. I'm gonna see you on the next video.